If you're a motorcycle enthusiast with a penchant for exclusivity, the BRABUS 1300R Masterpiece Edition is about to take your breath away. This limited series of BRABUS motorbikes is a testament to luxury, power, and unmatched design. Let's dive into what makes this edition truly special. The Epitome of Rarity. Available in Onyx Black and Diamond White, the BRABUS 1300R Masterpiece Edition consists of just 50 units, making it the most limited series in BRABUS history. These bikes are not just vehicles, they're unique works of art that cater to the discerning motorcycling connoisseur. In fact, they are so rare that some might consider them too precious to ride. The BRABUS 1300R Edition 23, a collector's delight. For those who crave exclusivity, the BRABUS 1300R Edition 23 is a must-have. Limited to a mere 290 units in selected markets, this edition comes in two exclusive BRABUS Legacy colorways, SUPERBLACK and STEALTH GRAY. To secure one of these gems, you can pre-order exclusively online through this portal. Power and precision. Built on the same platform as the KTM 1290 Super Duke REVO, the BRABUS 1300R Edition 23 delivers astounding power. But it's not just about brute force, it's also about the finer details. The BRABUS design DNA shines through, with meticulous attention to detail. This luxury naked bike evolution is not just unique, it's a sporty masterpiece that guarantees a 1-second wow factor. The luxury of design. The BRABUS 1300R Edition 23 encapsulates luxurious design, BRABUS's hallmark attention to detail, and ultra-limited exclusivity. It's a statement in itself, blending luxury-infused energy with the precision of a naked bike. This new edition showcases the best of both brands with its aggressively elegant aesthetics, functionality, and raw power. Your ticket to exclusivity. Remember, only 290 BRABUS 1300R Edition 23 motorcycles will ever go into production. The choice between SUPERBLACK and STEALTH GRAY is yours, but the opportunity to own one of these collector's items won't last forever. In conclusion, the BRABUS 1300R Masterpiece Edition represents the pinnacle of motorcycle craftsmanship. It's a fusion of power, luxury, and design that is destined to leave a lasting impression on anyone who has the privilege of witnessing it. So, the question remains, how dark do you want to go, SUPERBLACK or STEALTH GRAY? The choice is yours, and the journey promises to be nothing short of extraordinary.